Here we go, boys and girls. Gonna drop this monster piece in the street. It's a circle, so people they can just go back the other way if they have to. We'll have it cleaned up in moments.
Don't hesitate, send it, okay?
Watch it for cars. Watch it for cars. He's not used to sending big old pieces like this. I got him out of his comfort zone. Showing him how to take trees down for real. That's a quarter of the tree.